Hello everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video I'm going to show you 2 ways for graduation gift. So let's get started. I have this box from Graphic 45 and this one called ATC album box. So I'm going to alter it. And there's 2 ways. So the first way, I'm going to use paper, and this paper also by Graphic 45 called Lost in Paradise. Also, I'm gonna use flower to decorate my box. I have this beautiful red color. Then after I choose the paper, I'm going, to measure my box and, cut the paper accordingly. After I cut all the papers, I'm going to use liquid glue to, glue my papers. In this step, after you glue the paper, I recommend you distress the edges. I'm not sure why I wait till the end, when I put everything. I forgot to distress my edges. So after this step, when you glue the paper, distress the edges. Now it's time to decorate the box. So I have here my flowers, and before I glue anything, I arrange the flowers. Then when I am happy with everything, I take a picture with my phone, so can I have a reference to my arrangement. After that, I have here a matte gemstone by Graphic 45, to add extra embellishments. So I'm putting them on the sides, on the leaf, also on the flowers. Now to add some interest and some texture to my box, I have this gold watercolor. This is one pearlescent and has some sparkles, really beautiful color. Then just dab it in the water and try to make some splatter. Also from inside, I covered the box with the paper. So that's it. So I'm going to add some dentelle, and I'm going to add my gift. I made this beautiful resin coaster. It has flowers inside, so I can give it a gift, or even you can with the album itself, the ATC album, because it fit the box, and tada, our box is really beautiful. So, and now I said, okay, I forgot to distress the edges. It will be really difficult from inside because I put the flower cluster, but anyway, it works in the end. So I'm used here distress ink. Try just to choose the color that matches your paper. So this was like a little bit orangey, but still it's not that this didn't give the deep look. So I choose another color. This one also like red raspberry. Again, and it matches really my frown. It was really nice. So it was a little bit difficult, to distress the edges from inside because of the flower. Last thing, I'm going to add again some splatter. I used here Powell Rubin, a pearlescent watercolor. I'm going to, of course, to link all the materials I use in the description box. Yes, I'm trying to cover, my coaster, and just did some splatter here and there. I really love this box. It's really chic and elegant. Again, you can play with the colors. You can choose, whatever color you want, or maybe if the receiver loves animals, you can choose a paper with, a design paper that has, for example, picture of animals. The second way is to use paint instead of paper. I'm sorry I lost the first part, when I colored the box, but at least I have this part. So let me tell you the steps. What I did is, this is a black box, the same ATC black box. I painted twice using acrylic paint by Fenabar. This is metallic acrylic paint, and you see I'm using a sponge. I don't use the brush because the sponge will give you this beautiful effect. After the second layer of the paint, I did some stenciling. You see these stars and moon. Then after it dries, I add the third coat, of the paint. Then I did the same thing of arranging the flowers. I have these beautiful flower. I arrange it, to make this beautiful cluster, and to enhance and deepen these stars to be really, shown. I have this wax also by Fenabar, and I really like these, texture on the box. It happened because of the sponge, not the brush. Then after I did, wax some of the raised area, I feel that again the box needs to be more deepened. So I use here the black pigment ink by Sizzix. You can use any black ink, to deepen everything. So yeah, I really love this box also. So whatever your heart desire, you can use paint or you can use paper. So here is the final look. I hope you like it and get inspired. If so, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, write it down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.